everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am here to do the flip through of my second magical tea party. This is a commissioned work. I was approached by a lovely lady to create another magical tea party, but this journal turned out to be very different from the first one. It has its own personality. It is a little bigger, and it measures 8.5 by 6 inches. It has 3 signatures, but each signature has only 5 pages folded, giving you 20 pages front and back for each signature, a total of over 60 pages front and back for the full journal. The base of this cover is from packaging material that I covered with beautiful fabric that I have in my stash. The signatures are sewn using the 3-stitch pamphlet stitch binding, and I cover the spine with beautiful rose gold lace trim. This is really gorgeous piece. The inside pages are embellished with tucks and pockets, but there are plenty of space for journaling and for adding more embellishments. I used the digital kit by Natalie of Line That Arrow to complete this journal, and this kit is really fabulous. I hope that you can check her Etsy shop. I will provide her link in my description. I also used some ephemera from my stash and some of my own digitals like butterflies and newspaper digitals to complete this project. I hope that this wonderful lady who contacted me to create this journal will love this as much as I do. I hope that she has not changed her mind yet, because it took me a while to finish this magical tea party journal, but I love it. I also added some charms, and these are a variety of charms that I already have in my stash, and I think they are really pretty. And this is the back. Natalie of Line That Arrow provided many sentiments in her digital kit, so I used them to make some pretty paper charms, and some sentiments are also in the inside pages. So here are the words fairy magic and a very pretty teacup. And then the closure is not attached. This is a sari trim, Indian sari trim. I love the color as well. This is a very pretty fairy image. I love the color combination of green and salmon pink. So I added this green flowers and this fabric trim to complement the colors. I also added vintage laces to beautify these pages. This is a journaling space. Beautiful embossed rose here. And this is supposed to be a pocket, but I shut it when I stitched this trim, so not a pocket anymore. And so this is also a gorgeous page. I love all the images from Natalie's Magical Tea Party digital kit. And a belly band to hold this folder, I would say. And these are some papers to journal on and a couple of tags. So yes, the inside pages are embellished with all these pockets and tucks, but there are plenty of tags and inserts and journaling cards that are blank on the back for more journaling opportunities. And I also have all these blank spaces for more decorations and of course for writing. So I will do the flip through. I hope that you stay till the end of this video. I will provide all the links in my description, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. I would love to know what you think about this project, and I appreciate all your feedback. So please stay and enjoy the music and the flip through. I am back. Thank you so much for staying. I hope that you like this flip through. Again, please let me know what you think. And I hope that you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family. Please also hit that like button if you like this flip through. Before I go, I'd like to remind the winner of my giveaway. This was drawn a few days ago. I think it was a Sunday that I did the drawing. And this prize has not been claimed yet. So please, Phyllis J73, I think is the winner. Contact me by email. I need your mailing address so I can send this prize already. And if this is not claimed by next week, I have no choice but to do another drawing. So I am waiting for you, Phyllis J73. I hope that you are still interested to receive this gorgeous lace trim. So thanks again everyone for watching my videos, for supporting my work. God bless you. Please again hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Bye now, till next time.